Hey guys, welcome to my channel, and today I'm going to be destroying out-of-date technology. And I know what you're saying, but Jerry, why are you going to destroy this Alcatel flip phone? What did it ever do to you? Well, last year I lost my phone and had to use this for the time being. It was horrible. I didn't have anything good. So now I'm getting my revenge. Let's start with the front side drop. Open. I hate drop tests! Well, now that that's over, let's review the damage. Oh. So the glass is gone. And now there's a suspicious liquid. Oh, I'll give you guys what you want. Time for the ludicrous drop test. Okay, so the back case popped off. There's an SD card in here? If you're wondering why I got all excited about there being an SD card, it's because my camera desperately has been needing one, and I didn't know there was one in there, so that really helped. I see another one. Oh, was that important? I suppose I should get rid of the battery so it doesn't explode. Oh, just gonna place this back on. Good as new. The panel finally fell off. I know what I'm gonna do next. No! I can't believe my phone fell in the water. Please turn on. Oh, it's broken. Oh, well, that isn't good. Let's see if I can connect it to Bluetooth. Come on, come on, connect, connect. Ugh. Oh no, there's a helicopter attacking the phone. This is what you get for trying to destroy my phone. Let's put it with the rest of the broken electronics. I quit YouTube. I'm gonna be a DJ instead. Preview. Preview. Go! Oh, who am I kidding? Okay, just so I don't die, I'm just... Give me 1 second. Oh, now I'm safe. It's now a few days later, and we had a flood, so I had to go inside. I'm gonna see if this works. I don't think this is gonna work, so I'm gonna resort to this. The video will continue tomorrow. Actually, when I bought this phone, it said it had temperature abilities, so I guess I'll be the judge of that. Oh, test the heat too. That's good enough. Time for the heat. Mmm. It smells so bad out here. What the hell? You guys hear that? Until tomorrow. It's the next day. And I finally got my tripod. I think it's one of those modern phones that can flip both ways. Let's test it. Oh no. This plastic is so tough. Let's get to the LCD. Oh, what the hell? Let's go a few layers deeper. Yeah, I'd say that's enough. Time for this. I honestly don't know what much else to do with this phone, except... Perfect. Safety first. Uh-oh. Oh no. Oh, oh no, oh no. Just kidding. Smells like I don't know if you guys just saw that, but it kind of sprayed on me. Okay, well, I've got to clean this up. But thank you guys so much for watching. Don't forget to comment, like, and subscribe. And I'll see you guys next time. Bye.